So the very first step of data career is data visualization. After that, analytics or statistics. There comes machine learning. After statistics, machine learning come into the picture. After that, AI get into the picture. These are the pillars. So first is data visualization. Any company who is new, they need to start with data visualization. So data visualization is playing a crucial role. But after getting into a data visualization profile, you should not stop at that. It's better to move on with stats, machine learning, and all this. Why? In the sense they are expecting not just visualization, but this skill as well. So, and even it's like more like a tool based. Data visualization is more like a tool based. There is nothing with a tool. It's more about how well you are questioning the data. So if you're able to have a good questioning skills, you can choose any tool, Power BI or Tableau. You can build some projects and you can move on. That works. Keras would be good. Keras would be good. If you want to start with Python, means like deep learning, Keras is good. Like, for instance, it's very simple. But if you want to crack an interview and if you want to speak more like a pro, TensorFlow is good. If you're able to move to a TensorFlow, it sets a standard that, okay, you worked on deep learning on top of a TensorFlow, it creates a standard. TensorFlow is a complex library. If you're able to work on deep learning project on TensorFlow, they feel like you're good at programming. So if you want to crack and if you want to set a bar, TensorFlow. Just you want to work on the coding, just to start with it, to understand deep learning, just to start with some of the script of deep learning, not the math, script of deep learning, Keras. If you want to understand script plus math, TensorFlow. Yes, TensorFlow is very good. Even I personally love TensorFlow. Why? In the sense you understand very minute math of it. Than what you read in internet when you're looking into the scripting. Even TensorFlow 1.1.5 or TensorFlow 1, 2 within 2, not 2. 2 is something more simplified, but TensorFlow 1 is very complex. To write a linear regression, you want to write it in 100 lines. You want to write a CNN, you want to write it in 800 lines. Right? You want to define everything. It's a low-level API. It's not high-level API. Keras is a high-level API. sklearn is a high-level API. Torch is a high-level API. So your TensorFlow is a low-level API. Everything you want to define it. So TensorFlow is good.